Namaskara, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel. So today is one of the lesson for the spoken Kannada learners. So what is the topic that I have chosen as? The topic is days. So along with learning the days in Kannada, we also learn few of the basic sentences that we will use with the help of days. Okay? So we'll start. So Monday ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Monday is Somavara. So but the colloquial version will be Somvara. So the sounding after Soma will be removed, and Vara will be default in every days. Okay? So next one is Tuesday. So Tuesday we write as Mangalavara, and remember the la pronunciation, it has to touch upper palate of your mouth, and the colloquial version is Mangalvara. Okay? Next is Wednesday. That is, with written version is Budhavara, and Dha needs to be stress the letter Dha, and colloquial version is Budvara. So for everywhere it's just like you have to remove that A sounding. Next is Thursday. Thursday is Guruvara. So here you will remove the U, so which will become Gurvara. Guru. Okay? Next is Friday. Friday is Shukravara. It's not a su, it's a sh sounding. Colloquial version is almost same thing. Shukravara. So Shukravara or Shukravara, both are comfortable. Shukravara. And Saturday is Shanivara, and colloquial version also remains same. I don't say Shanvara. Comfortably you can also say Shanvara, but Shanivara is most commonly we use it. Shanvara is also completely fine. You can remove the I sounding. And Sunday is Bhanuvara. I'm sorry for the background dog barking. So Bhanali, stress the letter Bha, it's a Bha. Just like a Buddha, Dha needs to be stressed. Here Bha needs to be stressed. Bhanu means the sun. Okay? So Bhanvara. So if you observe everywhere, I have just removed the last letter and keeping the Vara as a constant. So here I have removed the sounding, I have removed the U sounding, sounding, I sounding, and U sounding. Okay? So hope you are comfortable with this one. So now we'll make up a sentences, simple sentences. Monday is holiday. Monday, Raja. Raja is a holiday. Raja is a king. Raja is a holiday. Monday, Raja. Tuesday, I have meeting. Tuesday, meeting ide. So to be more precise, Tuesday, nange meeting ide. For me. I have meeting. So nange. Tuesday, nange meeting ide. Wednesday, I had meeting. Wednesday, meeting ittu. Nange Wednesday meeting ittu. So whenever you want to say it in the past, you will use ittu. Whenever you want to say it present, you will say ide, meeting ide. So Thursday, I won't come to office. Thursday naan office ge baralla. Thursday naan office ge baralla. Next, Friday, I have lots of work. Friday tumba work ide. Friday tumba work ide. Saturday I have to clean the house. Saturday ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I have to clean the house. ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Sunday, what can I say for Sunday? Sunday I'm going out. Sunday ನಾನು ಹೊರಗೆ, out is ಹೊರಗೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. If you have understood the tenses videos already, so here it will be much more easier. If not, please do watch the Spoken Kannada playlist and get the videos and can practice it. So these are the basic sentences that I have done using the days. I hope it is comfortable. I'll repeat once again the days. Somvara, colloquial version is basically the spoken version. Okay? Somvara, Mangalvara, Budvara, Guruvara, Shukravara, Shanivara, Bhanvara or Shanvara. I can remove the I here. Shanvara, Bhanvara. So hope you are comfortable and please stay tuned for the few more next videos, upcoming videos. And thank you so much, and share this video with your friend who are struggling to learn Kannada and who are interested in learning Kannada language. So thank you so much once again. Namaskara, Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.